Don't blink, this eagle can see you before you see it. Eagles are some of the most powerful hunters. In the sky, their vision is about 4 to 8 times sharper than humans, allowing them to spot prey from kilometers away. When they find their target, the eagle glides at high speed and grabs it with its powerful talons. Its sharp beak helps it tear through its prey with ease. It's no wonder eagles are a symbol of strength, courage, and precision in many cultures. The next time you see an eagle soaring, remember that it may have spotted its prey long before you realize it.